Hidden sliding door. The door is hidden into the door frame. The facade can be seen only 22 mm, creating a boundless landscape. The standard minimalist facade, bar lock. The minimalist to the end, a single fan up to 3 meters wide, 3.5 meters high, aluminum with 2.58 m thickened structure. The internal supporting reinforcement, specially strengthened handrails to ensure that the large plate door is more resistant to wind pressure. Stable and safe, tent design, wind and swing, 2-track self-balancing large pulley is set under the pulley. The maximum bearing capacity of the pulley can reach 600 kg. The standard double pulley track door is not easy to derail swing. The push-pull feeling is light and stable. The whole door adopts the systematic bridge insulation process. The door frame upgrades the double brake bridge structure, providing stronger insulation performance. The drainage of the lower track high-drop waterproof structure, excellent internal drainage process, improve the drainage water to prevent rainwater infiltration. Only the panoramic view can restore the beauty of the vista seascape urban landscape.